Welcome back to our channel! So ngayon, pupunta kami sa Bataan. We have a family outing. Samahan nyo kami guys. Sabay daw, ipakita ko sa yung mga kasama. Pakita mo ng mga kasama natin. Yan. Ang presidente. Joke lang. Yan. Okay, si ate, pakita mo. So dito kami sa van. So nag-algala lang kami ng van guys. And paano nung kasama natin ba si Francis? Si Francis. So pagka kailangan nyo guys ng mararenta van, kontakin nyo lang si Bea. Ay si Bea. So yan. Kasi ang presidente. Ito, pakita natin sila kan. Pero si Galiye. Kaya mo, beautiful girl. Wherever you are, I know that I love you. Si Galiya tulog. Si Atalia, para makita niya pag-gising niya. Tepa, ipanamutan mo yung channel namin.
Guys, follow Team Aldea TV.
Ang hinit. Ito nga pala guys, ito yung Edmond. Yun ang pogi, grabe. Yun. Kaya ito, muna patigin si Francis para magpunta tayo. Kaya Francis, kahit tayo. Tinapay. Ay, random lang. Muna guys, CR break. Ayan. Ito pala guys, nalagla naming van. So, napakagandang van. Nissan. So, malaki siya. Ma, so far, how's your travel? So far, how's your travel?
Feeling sleepy.
Sleepy? Sleepy pa kayo? Okay.
Look at this young man.
Oh, how are you, boy?
You are.
How are you, Prince?
No.
Say hello. Hello.
Kagigising lang eh. Ay, gising na yung dalawang dalaga natin.
Hello, prinsesa.
Kumusta mga prinsesa? Hilong-hilo na kayo? Come on, let's go outside. I'll carry both of you. Come on. So you can breathe fresh air. Come on.
I want to go outside.
Come on. Hey guys, this is the room. That's from the door. You walk from the door.
Si Nanay. May tao sa CR? No. Come here. Dito lang. Isa na yung camera mo. Sing. Wow.
Guys, this is the room where we rented for 2 days, 1 night. I wish we could stay here 3 days, 2 nights. It's really tiring.
That is our bunk bed. Door for another outside. If you want a nice skips.
Mali tayo mag-picture mamaya, matigin nyo.
Ganda oh.
Dito banda oh. Ate, dito tayo mag-picture mamaya lang kompleto. Okay, mga lang. Parang pagpit lang sa kamera. Hey guys! Anything? Pose. Kaya na nagpo-pose.
Ano ba yun?
Jump shot.
No, video.
1, 2, 3. Kasi ba? 1, 2, 3.
You want that big? Okay.
So guys, punta naman tayo sa beach. Kaya nga na-enjoy natin swimming pool. Tayo natin sa beach. Dito pala guys sa Bataan. Siyempre, hindi naman dito white sand. Pero ma-appreciate yung buhangin dito kasi malambot siya pino. Unlike yung ibang beach na mabato. Ito nga guys, labas muna tayo. Medyo nalalamig ako kasi aga pa. Yung swimming pool na mainit, di ko alam ba't mainit yung tubig, pero pag umahon ka doon ka lalamigin. Go to the beach! Guys, let's go to the beach!
Yes! I follow you! Ginagawa mo!
Beautiful. How much is this?
At 26K.
26K.
And,
So big.
yeah, full kitchen.
So guys, you can rent this place for 26,000 per day. Big bed. Okay. Oh wow. You designed this room?
Yes.
Wow, you're great.
Even this.
The bed? Oh my goodness. You're good at designing. Come here, baby. She's my wife.
Oh.
This girl, little girl here is our only daughter.
Okay.
Hey guys! So beautiful. It's the balance.
And then you can look over there. It's just mountains.
Sorry?
On the other side.
Mountain. Guys, sa likod daw, mountain view. And dito sa harap, syempre, of course, nakita nyo naman, beach view. So, 2-in-1 to, guys. It looks like 2-in-1. Beach at the front, mountain at the back. So, what else you will look for? Book na kayo, mga lords. Looks like aerial shot. Yan, so guys, check naman natin yung swimming pool nila during night. Yan, ganda ng ilaw, no? Nice. Natalia, how do you feel right now? Is the water cold?
No, hot.
Hot? Wow.
I mean warm.
Warm. Nakaka-relax yung mga ilaw, guys, no? Parang alam mo yun, nakatanggal ng stress. So kung stress kayo, punta na kayo dito. Mag-enjoy kayo sa mga lights nila. Alright. Look at the camera! Smile! Look at the camera! You sing louder, ha? 1, 2, 3!
Mermaid, mermaid, I want to be your friend.
Look at the camera!
Mermaid, mermaid,
I love to be your friend. We can play all day, swimming on the beach. Hands on flag, we are no best friends. Bubbles, 1, 2, 3, mermaid. Galing lang kumanta. Mermaid, mermaid, I love to be your friend. Elia, the new lyrics. You have tail.
I have it. I don't care. It's a
Worth the sound.
one day we will be
Oh, one last time. Mermaid.
mermaid.
Louder.
I want to be your friend.
Louder.
Mermaid. Mermaid.
I love to be
Be
your
your friend.
friend.
Mermaid.
Okay, very good.
Wow! That's us! Hello!
Nagpa-vlog ako, iyak ka ng iyak.
Hello,
Ano ba
hello,
yan?
hello! I'm Prince David.
Liam. Pogi. So guys, pauwi na kami, naglalunch lang kami. Sarap ng tanghalian namin guys, tingin nyo. Fish. Yun yung nabili namin kagabi na fresh na mga bagong huli talaga, kaya sarap ihawin. Okay guys, so maya pauwi na kami. So kita-kita nyo naman, this is a nice place to stay and konting review lang tayo guys. On this place, one thing na na-enjoy namin dito is they have swimming pool, of course. And based dun sa nakausap natin, sa may-ari yung kasama natin kanina, si Sir Stone, yung EDA nila, itong kanilang resort, is the biggest resort in this place. Yeah, sila yung may pinakamalaking property na nakuha dito. So, masasabi ko lang, the place is, yeah, nice. And also, yung mga staff dito is very accommodated sila. Maasikaso sila actually. Last night, habang kumakain kami, they are, you know, para silang aligagan na alok sa amin ng table, ng chairs, kasi medyo madami kami. And I can say, mag-enjoy ka sa lugar nito. Kasi, Kita nyo naman, beach friend lang siya. Madali lang ma-access yung beach. And yung sand dito guys, sa Bataan to, Morong Bataan. Yung sand dito, hindi ka pwedeng ma-expect ng white sand. But then, you can expect the good quality of the sand. Hindi naman siya purong parang kagaya sa Boracay na pulbol. Pero, malambot naman. And the reason why tinawag to na Crystal Shore Beach Resort is I realized last night, kasi bumili kami ng isda. So habang naglalakad kami, mayroon kami dalang flashlight and ilaw sa cellphone. So habang natututukan mo ng ilaw yung buhangin, para siyang mag-glitters na kumikinang-kinang. So maybe that's the reason why they call this place Crystal Shore Beach Resort. So all in all, this is a good place to stay. So ano pa hintay niya, mag-book na kayo. And I assure you, mababait po ang mga tao dito. God bless!
Thank you, Crystal Shore Beach Resort!